replacing gas and turbine generators with a residential micro-storage-grid package technology instead of paying thousands a week for liquid fuels. Powering real estate that already exists, our homes. Where do we live, farm, etc. with all these renewables? For extra energy, it uses renewables. It takes 3 to 6 solar panels for our technology to go off the grid. Can you imagine 49 in your backyard without our technology? We have a solution. It's a sophisticated energy device, not free energy. Why not power real estate that already exists, residences, and also complies with the conservation law of energy? With a Micro-Storagegrid Package. At no cost to our clients, it's very affordable. Operates 24/7 on off the grid. It's really remarkable. It's a sophisticated energy device, not free energy. That's not all, there is more. You're gonna love this. Reverse the grid for extra cash. Other countries are doing the same thing. Similar to what they do in Australia today with solar collectors. If the grid fails, not a problem. It's not an over-unity device. Full power as if it didn't happen with our technology. Complies with the conservation law of energy. Depending on energy requirements, your saving pays for it. An 18K unit may vary between 22 and 32K. That's it. Savings on energy retail pays it in 3 to 9 years. Starting production cost is only $785,000. That's it. Help us save the earth. Donate today. By donating today, you can help us with our production costs and get this thing rolling. We have the prime mover and 2 generators. The 16 pole, this is a 4 pole, the 16 pole will have 16 of those back to back in a Cog-Free generator. Okay? And that's the energy coming from the wall. Okay, it's not over unity, generating 1.2 horsepower. By combining your savings and your retail excess energy, can pay for this device in 3 to 8 years. Subscribe to our new Off Energy TV channel today. Please note it complies with the conservation law of energy.